Nonhliziyo, first light of my mind, name called by my ancestors, whispered in time. First star before the sunrise, my hope, my shine. The first spark of tomorrow, destiny's line. You will water with love in our secret place. The joy I find in you, a lifetime's embrace.
A dream come true for millions I've known. I drew you, I saw you, I made you my own.
I've been falling, rising, crying out loud, searching for you, lost in the crowd. Then you appeared, I felt your air. You listened, you answered, you were there.
Nonhliziyo, you found me, I found you. The first star after rain shining through. My heart is broken, my stars run deep, but in your arms I finally sleep.
Sun fading over mountains, shadows closing in. My blood slowed down, my senses began. I heard you shouting from far away. Backbone shook, almost lost my way. You came close, held me tight, asking where I've been through every fight. I've been healing, I've been trying, now I'm here, no more hiding. I've been falling, rising, crying out loud, searching for you, lost in the crowd. Then you appeared, I felt your air. You listened, you answered, you were there.
Nonhliziyo, know you hold me, found you. The first star after rain shining through.
My heart is broken, my scars run deep, but in your arms I finally sleep. I'm not going anywhere, I'm home with you. You healed my heart, my confidence grew. Nonhliziyo, my shelter, my light. Welcome me in, let's make it right.
Nonhliziyo.